There's nothing I hate more than having spots on my car after I wash it. So I'm super excited about this drying towel. It's big and it's terry cloth and it's really doing a good job. Look at that. Oh yeah. Usually it takes 2 or 3 towels for me to dry my car, but this guy is gonna take care of the whole thing by itself. Impressive. Let's see how it does on the windshield. Oh yeah. Trying to get an angle so you don't see the glare. Yeah. I'm impressed. Now this check, it's still pretty light. Very cool product. Okay, I finished drying my car. And I know there's clouds, so you can't see the finish that well, but okay, here, come over here. No spot. That's right. No spot. So impressive. The towel did great. It's not even that wet. Very cool product. Works well. It does what it's supposed to do. Didn't scratch my car. Didn't have any spots. I recommend it.